Welcome to another episode of Marimba Guide, and today I'm going to be teaching you the Turner version of Nhemamusasa. And if you haven't watched this video, go ahead and watch it right after you finish this one. Let's get to it. So we're starting from CE 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? CE 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. For the second step, we move to DF. 1, 2. Back to CE. 1, 2. Right? 1, 2, 1, 2. Again. 1, 2, 1, 2. So from the start, CE 1, 2, 1, 2. We're going to do DFCE twice. So from the start, CE 1, 2. Right? And for the last step, CE BD. CE 2 times. CE BD. So from the start, CE 1, 2, 3, 4. Second step, DFCE, DFCE. Lastly, CEBD. 1, 2, 1, 2. Right. All together. One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. DFCE, DFCE, CEB. Well, that's it for today's lesson. If you want to know more about Nhemamusasa, check out the video on my face. If you haven't already, subscribe. It's free and you can always change your mind. Turner.The signing out.
Subscribe.